Hi, my name is Nathan Goldstein. I'm CEO and founder of Vested Business Brokers. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit more about our business. We believe here at Vested that education is the key to everybody's success. We built a world-class training program to teach you on how to become a business broker. What is a business broker? A business broker is one who helps somebody buy and sell profitable privately held businesses. If you want to get an idea of what type of businesses that you will be working with, go to www.vestedbb.com, our website, and you could take a virtual tour of all the different types of businesses that are available. Currently, we have 4,000 businesses that are available, all different categories: manufacturing, distribution, service-based businesses, retail-based businesses, delis, pizzerias, restaurants. They all sell. How do we know? We've sold over 1,000 transactions. We do this business probably better than anybody else in the world, but more importantly, we teach this business better than anybody else in the world. And we're willing to teach you for free. If you have the will, we're going to give you the skill and teach you how to be a successful business broker. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about what it takes to be a successful business broker and then what it takes to be a successful vested business broker, hit the apply button now, and we're going to take you through a tour and show you what type of skills and what type of attributes you need to be a successful vested business broker. Thank you for taking the time. Don't forget, hit the apply button now, and we're going to take you on that tour. Thank you.